Have you ever wondered why so many international students choose to study in America? The answer, in part, lies in the sheer volume of students who flock to the country each year. The United States, with its melting pot of cultures and traditions, plays host to a vast array of students hailing from every corner of the globe. The diversity of the student body is a significant draw. International students are not just numbers in a classroom, they are an integral part of the rich tapestry of American education. They bring with them their unique perspectives, experiences, and cultures, contributing to an enriching and diverse learning environment. The opportunities for cultural exchange are limitless. Students learn not just from textbooks but from each other, fostering a deeper understanding of our interconnected world. This is just the tip of the iceberg. So, what makes America such a magnet for students from all over the world? Let's delve deeper into this in the following scenes. Education is not one size fits all. Different countries have unique approaches that reflect their values and goals. The United States, Finland, Japan, and the United Kingdom, for instance, all have distinct education systems that are considered among the best in the world. But in what ways do they differ? And what sets the American education system apart? Let's start with Finland, a country often lauded for its education model. Finnish schools focus on equality, with all students, regardless of background, receiving the same quality of education. There's less emphasis on standardized testing and more on comprehensive learning and student well-being. Then there's Japan, a country known for its rigorous and disciplined approach to education. From a young age, Japanese students are taught to value hard work and perseverance, leading to high academic achievement. The United Kingdom, on the other hand, places a strong emphasis on tradition and uniformity. It has a hierarchical system with established pathways from primary school through to university. But what about the United States? The American education system is marked by a broad curriculum and a distinct focus on critical thinking and creativity. Students are encouraged to explore a variety of subjects, from arts to sciences, and to think outside the box. There's a recognition that every student is unique, with different strengths and interests. This approach fosters an environment where students are not just memorizing facts, but are learning how to learn. They're taught to question, to analyze, and to innovate. This emphasis on individuality and innovation is a defining feature of American education. Moreover, the U.S. is home to many of the world's top universities and research institutions, offering a wealth of opportunities for students to excel academically and beyond. So, while each of these education systems has its strengths and can offer much to their students, it's clear that the American approach provides a unique blend of breadth, freedom, and a focus on the individual learner. While every system has its strengths, America's emphasis on fostering individuality and innovation sets it apart. So, what can an international student expect from an American classroom? Imagine a space where the learning process is as interactive as it is informative. This is the quintessence of the American classroom experience. The teaching style here is not just about pouring facts into students' minds, it's about sparking conversations, fostering critical thinking, and cultivating a culture of curiosity. In American classrooms, participation is not only encouraged, it's often part of the grading system. Students are expected to contribute to class discussions, ask questions, and share their ideas. This active engagement with the material and with peers promotes a deeper understanding and a more enriched learning experience. One of the distinct features of American education is the breadth and diversity of course offerings. From astrophysics to zoology, from film studies to forensic science, the possibilities are virtually endless. And the beauty of it is, you're not limited to courses strictly within your major. You can explore different fields, discover new interests, and develop a well-rounded perspective. Now let's talk about practical experience. American universities place a strong emphasis on the application of knowledge. Internships and cooperative education programs, commonly known as co-ops, are integral parts of many courses. These programs allow students to gain hands-on experience in their chosen field, apply what they've learned in a real-world setting, and make valuable connections in the industry. But the American classroom experience isn't confined to academics alone. It's about learning from diverse cultures, different perspectives, and unique experiences. It's about being part of a global community that values individuality as much as it does unity. So in essence, the American classroom is a vibrant, dynamic space that fosters intellectual growth, encourages active participation, and provides ample opportunities to gain practical experience. It's a place where students are not just recipients of knowledge, but active contributors to the learning process. In America, education extends beyond the four walls of the classroom. But the American education experience is not just about academics. Yes, you heard it right. There's a whole wide world of opportunities beyond the classroom walls that is waiting to be explored by students in the United States. One of the most enriching aspects of studying in America is the plethora of extracurricular activities available. From drama club to robotics, from debate team to chess club, the options are as diverse as the students themselves. These clubs provide a platform for students to pursue their passions, develop new skills, and make lasting friendships. And let's not forget about sports. American schools offer a wide array of athletic programs. Whether you're a soccer enthusiast, a budding basketball star, or you've got a knack for tennis, there's a spot for you. Participating in sports not only promotes physical fitness, but also fosters team spirit, resilience, and leadership skills. Volunteer opportunities also abound. Students can contribute to their communities in meaningful ways, whether it's by planting trees, serving food at a local shelter, or tutoring younger students. Volunteering allows students to experience firsthand the joy of giving back, while also gaining a broader perspective on life. These extracurricular experiences are not just fun and games. They play a crucial role in developing soft skills. These are the skills that go beyond the academic realm. Think communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and adaptability. These skills are highly valued in today's global economy and can give students a significant edge in their future careers. Furthermore, these activities provide ample opportunities for networking. Students interact with peers, teachers, coaches, and community members, thereby forming connections that could open doors to internships, job opportunities, and lifelong friendships. In sum, the American education system offers students a well-rounded experience. It goes beyond textbooks and tests, fostering growth and development in a myriad of ways. It equips students not just with academic knowledge, but also with the skills, experiences, and connections that will serve them well in the future. There is more to an American education than just textbooks and tests. Indeed, the opportunities beyond academics are boundless, enriching, and truly transformational. Coming to a new country can be daunting, but American institutions go the extra mile to support their international students. Imagine stepping into a new world, a different culture, a different way of life. It's a journey of discovery, but it's also a journey that can bring a fair share of challenges. This is where the support that American institutions provide comes into play. From the moment you arrive, these institutions ensure you don't just survive, but thrive. They provide comprehensive orientation programs designed to help international students adjust to the American educational system and culture. These programs cover everything from understanding academic expectations to navigating the campus and even the wider community. But the support doesn't stop there. The English language can be a barrier for many, but American institutions offer robust English language support. This includes English language courses, conversation partners, and writing centers, all aimed at helping international students to improve their language skills and communicate effectively. The American education system values academic success, but it also recognizes that each student is unique, with their own set of strengths, weaknesses, and aspirations. As such, academic advising services are readily available. These services provide guidance on course selection, study strategies, and even career planning, ensuring that your education aligns with your personal and professional goals. Beyond these resources, American institutions foster a welcoming and inclusive campus community. They celebrate diversity, hosting cultural events and festivals that allow students from all over the world to share their traditions and learn about others. Student clubs and organizations provide opportunities to make friends, develop leadership skills, and engage in meaningful community service. The beauty of studying in America is not just in the quality of education, but in the holistic support that is provided. It's about creating an environment where international students are valued, where they can grow, succeed, and feel a sense of belonging. In America, international students are never alone. It's a place where the world converges, creating a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and dreams. A place that not only opens doors to quality education, but also to a world of possibilities. In America, international students are never alone. So, what have we learned about why international students choose America? We've explored how the unique educational approach in America fosters a sense of critical thinking and creativity, rather than rote memorization. We've journeyed through the American classroom experience, which encourages active participation and open dialogue, fostering a vibrant learning environment. We've also highlighted the opportunities that extend beyond academics, such as networking events, internships, and extracurricular activities, all of which contribute to a holistic student experience. Lastly, we've underlined the comprehensive support system for international students, from language assistance to cultural orientation, ensuring that every student feels welcomed and integrated. These factors combined create an educational journey that is not just about acquiring knowledge, but also about personal growth, cultural understanding, and global connections. In the end, the American education system offers a unique blend of academic rigor, practical experience, and cultural exchange that attracts students from around the globe.